Guys, kung napapanood nyo po yan ang aking robe. Ready na po guys. I prepare my robe. I hang it because on the day of the Eid, I wear this robe. Okay. Yan po guys, ang susuotin ko sa araw ng Eid al-Fitr. However, I have a two option guys. Either I wear this robe on that day or I will wear a polo shirt. See guys, if you watch this video, comment down below if what is the most suitable for me to wear during the Eid. And this is my during the day of Eid rather. And this is my sujjara. I will use this also on the day of Eid al-Fitr. Okay. And you can see, if you watch this video, this is my mask, face mask, and this is my kitab, one of my kitab dua. Okay, and this big notebook, it is also a kitab. So yan po guys. So I hope you like these videos. So hanggang doon na lamang po guys. Hindi ko na po papawabayin ang aking sasabihin. So sa muli, kita-kits po tayo sa aking next video or vlog. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Emil Ibni. Comment down below and share. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.